Just yesterday, we got a first look at the Galaxy Z Flip 5, and now it's time for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. These are actual first-hand information about the Z Fold 5 from this tipster dubbed Super Rotor, who has a solid track record, as I said yesterday. And as you can see, the Z Fold 5 will only have two key design variations from its forerunner. Undoubtedly, the camera arrangement is the first. The flagship S-series range seems to be providing a consistent design to all of their flagship products at this time. But the majority of the camera's specs won't change. With a 50MP primary camera, 12MP ultra-wide, and 10MP 3x telephoto lenses, it will thus have two cameras. The hinge is the second noticeable major alteration. The new water drop hinge Samsung is adopting allows it to collapse completely without leaving any space between the panels. The Z Fold 5 will weigh 9 grams less than the Z Fold 4 at 253 g because to the new hinge's reduced weight. Additionally, it significantly thins the phone around the hinge, cutting its thickness by roughly 3 mm. Additionally, the display now folds in an oval form when closed, which will actually enhance the S Pen writing experience. This is the largest improvement, since there will be no apparent seam. The size of the cover screen and the inside screen won't change, however. There won't be any substantial modifications to the design this time, therefore. The camera is the only significant difference, the rest is almost identical. We're seeing some fairly significant changes this time around, which suggests that Samsung has put more of an emphasis on the Z Flip 5. The redesigned hinge, which will really fix the two most obvious issues with the Galaxy Z Fold series consumers have been talking about, is the sole significant update the Z Fold 5 offers. However, it won't make any significant improvements in terms of the device's appearance. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.